Guys, look at this incredible view, is what I would be saying if it wasn't raining so bad. This is what it's supposed to look like. Reality. Picture, reality. So today we're going to Doi Inthanon National Park, which is the highest point in Thailand. But first, coffee. After a ton of super windy roads, we finally made it here to this restaurant. And oh gosh, right in the background, there's this super cool waterfall up on the hill. This place is absolutely beautiful. It's just super crazy. So, you guys ready to eat?
Yeah. Wow.
It's just in the mountains.
Can you sit by me? I'm gonna make cool designs. The food is so amazing and delicious. Now it's pouring out. Camera, Teddy, camera. We're hanging on to the wave.
We are climbing up to the highest point because, you know, we're hikers and things like that. And it's off and on downpouring on us. We made it! We did it! That's right here! But also, that's higher than we are right now.
Yeah, this sign's a liar.
This is the highest spot in Thailand, and look what they have here. Honestly, I think that tells us a lot, and it's pretty challenging to me as a believer to see that this country that believes in what they believe in, and the highest point, they put the highest thing they believe in.
full out rainforest, crazy wind blowing, just water coming at us. Probably shouldn't be videoing this right now, but how can you not? Look at this, so cool. Okay, this weather's a little bit nuts. We're switching to the GoPro and we're gonna walk through that super cool trail through the woods. Okay, we switched over. Still pouring rain, full out rainforest mode, and I think we're ready to keep moving. I never thought we'd be wearing jackets in Thailand, but it's actually kind of cold. It's amazing. Although we've been here long enough that 55 is cold to us now. The moss hanging on the tree. Super cool.
Hi, Ellie. You having fun?
Hello.
For sure, one of my favorite things about Thailand is that there is coffee everywhere, including the top of the mountain at the highest point, but it's closed. Ah, so close, coffee. So close. Hey guys, so we're up here at the summit of Doi Inthanon, and I don't know if you can see, but the visibility is
You can't see.
not prime. So we're gonna go down to the Doi Inthanon temple, which is kind of the main key thing that is all the pictures of Doi Inthanon. This is what it's supposed to look like. Reality. I'm super pumped to see that, so we're gonna head there now and hope that you can see more than 10 feet in front of your face, so let's go. However much visibility we had on the way up, we have a third on the way down. Gosh, I can only see like 30 or 40 feet. There's a cliff right there. You can't see it. This is so cool. Unless we die, then this is not cool. But if we posted this video, hey, we didn't die. That's great.
Well done. Good driving.
Yay. You should drive with both.
Oh gosh.
We pulled over on the side of the road just to show the visibility or lack thereof. This is insane. That road is maybe 100 feet away and you can't see the pavement. And then there's a coffee shop, so obviously that's really why we stopped. Let's just do that. Yeah. Okay.
Do you want original sour cream and onion or spicy lobster? Good job, buddy. Look, Ellie.
So we were planning on just stopping here for coffee, but now we are here now at the temple, which is supposed to be the most beautiful temple in all of Thailand that we've seen. It looks absolutely incredible. And I want to show you our view right here. That is what we can see. And that is what it should look like. That's literally the exact same view right there. Do you see the peak up there? Because I can't. It's dark in it. Can we see anything? Nope. It's literally right there. Can't see it. Awesome. So because of our visibility issues, we're going to sit here for the next hour or so and see if it clears up. And we're going to sit here and read for a little bit, play on our tablets, and wait out the storm. See what happens. Okay, so we waited in the car for about an hour to see if it would let up. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but it didn't. So we're just going to walk up there anyway and try and see the awesome temple that is white. It's right there in the clouds. So. Maybe. We'll see. All right, go.
Come on, guys. Go.
Run. I also want to point out we're the only ones dumb enough to actually be here. There's not a car in the parking lot, so. As usual, there's a picture of the king and queen right there. So there is one giant temple there. You can kind of see it. And there's one right there that you cannot see at all, even though that's, I think, the bigger one. So let's do the one you can kind of see. The escalator's not on, but it's better than being out in the rain. And we can slide down after. See? I'm kidding. Okay, second escalator with very, very light air because we're at like 7,000 feet. And
We got this. Oh, God.
oh, he's gonna blow away. Hey, you can kind of see it. Look at the beautiful views. Gosh. Go up. No, this is a great idea. It's worth it.
Let's just go back. We're here for 2 months.
Yeah, we can take off right here. Okay. So this is a super, super cool place. But there's no one here. And we just found out that the national park closes in like an hour. And I think we're about an hour and a half from the entrance to the park. So we think we should probably get out of here. There's also just no one here. And I don't know if you can see just how sideways the rain is. That's intense. Fly the drone?
No.
We're going. Oh my gosh.
Oh, careful.
Really quick, I gotta look at all these flowers and everything before we go. This is super cool. You can still only see maybe 100 feet, but man, it's beautiful. Over that rail, there's just a massively cool view, but you can't even see the thing we just came from. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna run. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to the car. And we gotta try and get out of this national park before they close and we get stuck and we just become people that live here. Okay, we're back on the road. It is a race to get out of this park on time. This is crazy. Like, you can barely see it. Lens, so that right there is maybe 15 feet, 20 feet in front of us. Roadblock. The roadblock was up and this guy just helped us and moved it. Thank you. So apparently the national park is closed.
Yeah, because that's just a guy on a motorbike.
That's just some dude. So we got out of the actual like closed part of the park up there before it officially closed. Well, I mean it was closed, but that guy let us out. And there's a waterfall down here that I think is technically closed because it's getting dark, but I've got mad ninja skills, so I think we're fine just to go. And I'm just kidding. Again, if you see this video, we lived, so we're good. Hey guys, I don't mean to make you scared, but seriously, look out for snakes on the path because dusk is when they come out. It's not actually that bad. Look, there's the waterfall through there. Guys, look at this. Awesome, massive waterfall. But we gotta get back to the car. This camera can see in the dark, it's crazy. This is what you see. This,
Can I see?
that's what we see. Listen to the sounds of the jungle at night. I've never heard anything so alive. Okay, we made it. We're back at the car. Let's go. Okay, so we have officially made it back to town, kind of at the base of the mountain. We're all dead tired. We're gonna get some dinner and then drive the next hour and a half home. But I think this is the end of this adventure for you guys. We will see you on the next one. We've got some more great videos coming up, some more really fun stuff. We're about to travel down south to an island for a week, which is gonna be awesome. We're thinking we might make it to Vietnam. We'll see, a lot of cool stuff coming up. We'll see you in the next one.
Where are you going now?
All right, we're going to the temple, but
Somewhere.
as bad as that cloud was driving up, it is way worse now. It went back to normal.
Just went back to normal.
Every time I pull up the camera, it doesn't look the same way as it looked when I turned it on.